I was wondering if you could have a go at guessing it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do you want to hear it again?
Yeah, one more time. Oh yeah, no, that's a thorax breaking. It's sort of right in the middle of your chest. It's a little tiny bone, very hard to break. Sounds a little bit like a water bottle crunching, but that's definitely a thorax or a fibula. Can I hear it one more time? Nope, thorax, yeah.
Final answer?
Final answer.
It's wrong, sorry.
What is it? You won't tell me? This game is so dumb.
I'm not even allowed to know.
What? Can I hear it again? Now I hear my mother. That's just not, no, you've got to tell us. Really? Oh, I'll find out. I'll be in there in a minute. I'm gonna find out what that is. Oh, that's a really rough sound though. Not pleasing. Not
nice.
White noise. That is not the Celine Dion of sounds. Ah, stop it! Stop it!